Kaisan, you know or no? Our motorcycle gets stolen.
Hah? Really? Our motorcycle gets stolen?
Aduh, so hot lah. I want to buy some food or drink.
I have an idea to solve that problem.
What's the idea?
How about we make a project together?
What's the name of the project, bro?
Smart Parking Car Project.
Coba, okay, try.
Hey, Adil, you guys want to make a smart parking project, right?
Yes, we make it.
Can I see your body?
Okay, let's see it. Of the smart parking car. Okay, so first you guys can go to Makeup like here. You guys can make a new project. You guys can open Makeup in your browser like Chrome or others, but you guys can type it maybe smart parking. Now you guys can create, and then first you guys can delete this, just write in here. That you guys can go to extension right here, extension. After that you guys can search on here Bluetooth, and then just extension and add Bluetooth. Okay. So after that, you guys can go to Logic in here, if else, and then go to Pin like here, digital. There is digital right pin. There is others. You guys take the digital right pin. Oh yeah, I forgot. You guys have to in Logic. You guys take this one and put it in here. And then it's the pin is depend on what you use in the IABIT. So with me is digital pin P1, and then in here you type 1. After that you guys can go to pins again, and then take the in here there is servo. You guys take it, servo right pin, and then duplicate it, servo right pin again in here. So I will explain a little bit. If digital red pin or digital red, the pin is 1 or activated, the servo will turn into pin 1. And don't forget there is the pin in here. If me is the servo is pin 0, so after that this one is, if it's not detect the digital red pin, it will go to 0 coordinate. So like in here, as you can see, wait a minute, it will go to here. This is the mechanism, like that. It will turn like this. Okay, so in this project we have to get 2 servo. We have 2 servo. So this, wait, I'm lagging. Okay, so now it's the same but for the others. So this is for the sensor, digital pin P2, like the same. And then on my servo it's P3, and because my servo is different than the other one, so position, so if I just change it to the different Okay, so now already the first code, and then this is we will learn about the Bluetooth. Okay, so now after you guys add the extension, there is Bluetooth this, and then you take this one, Bluetooth on data retrieve, and then you can take this on variable, you make a new one. I will change it to up. Okay, so now I will you guys take the set car to in here to what, and then you're going to go to the Bluetooth again, Bluetooth and more Bluetooth work with until new line like here. So, and then you guys go to logic chain, and then this one is for detecting with teachable machine right here. So if the car, wait a minute, you guys take this one, down the number one. So if the car is full, and then it will in here it will show string. Wait a minute. Show string like the slot is full. You guys can type anything, and then you guys like make this for others, like if it's one, it will show number one like the clock. If it is two, you guys can type two like that. So in this project I will use only 3 cars. So is it full? Is it only 1 car? And is 2 cars? So in here you guys can add another. The last is duplicate, and then you guys can take car. No. If it is empty. Okay, so now click it again and 0. So this is all the code that you need in the smart parking car. So now we will continue to the wiring section.
So this is the project. The name of the project is Smart Parking System. In this project, the main component is the first. There is we use IR sensor or infrared sensor, and this is the servo for the plug of the parking area, and this also there is 2 servo and 2 IR sensor for in gate and out gate, and the microcontroller of this system is we use microcontroller is the microbit, and the extension we use IObit like here. And to make this we like with the cover jumper like just chalk like that, and later in this microbit we can coding in Macode, and let's add the teachable machine or the AI of the system. So this is the system when already connect to the laptop, and in the end later we connect it to the Lofi robot with the teachable machine inside that. So this is the sensor like this. we can move the USB first to here. Like this. And the sensor is on. Like this. This is get in and this is get out. Later, if there is a car, go like this and like that. Later, parkir here and later in the system that connect to the camera, detect if there is like one car or two car, there is the sensor. And if the car want to go out like this, there is also the gate, automatic gate, and directly like that. And we want to connect to the Luffy robot like this.
Okay, so now I will explain about the Luffy robot. So in the microbit here, it will detect the which transfers to this. Okay, so in here there is the Luffy robot like here. So maybe if there is this, I put two. Wait a minute. Two in the microbit there is two like that. So and then if there is three, wait a minute. If there is no. Wait a minute. Nah, it will be zero like that. So that is how the teachable machine in this project works.